2001 Infiniti QX4 with rear trailing arm bushings bad. And if you make a mistake and take off both trailing arms together, these here, the entire differential is going to spring back about 2 inches and you're not going to be able to reset them. So with both trailing arms off, this one is on loose right now. What you do is you jack up the front of the transmission, front of the differential there. And the other mechanic here, John, is removing the sleeve and the bushing and bearing cover on the split drive shaft right there. That had to come off. And the shaft going into the transmission is now back in place. It was extending out about 3 inches. And we could not put the trailing arms in, the control arms, trailing arms, the lowers. So the fix is to remove that bushing up there, down right there, between the split drive shafts, and jack up the front of the differential. So you're going to use 2 hydraulic jacks. We got one in the rear and one in the very front, which will push it up and align it back in place. So that's the fix if you make a mistake and you take off both trailing arms at the same time. So the real solution to this problem is take them off and replace them one at a time. Okay, so playing around with both jacks, the back of the differential and the front of the differential, and securing it with safety jacks, and then it'll finally line up. Yep, there it goes. Hallelujah. Maybe. Yep.
Yeah, I'm just trying.
It's going in.
It goes in the other way. Can't really see.
Well, there's your fix. The rest will be easy.